Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blanco County, northeastern Gillespie County, southern Llano County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Castle, or 10 miles west of Llano, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Llano, Horseshoe Bay, Castle, Prairie Mountain, Blowout, Enchanted Rock State Natural Area, Eckerd, Crabapple, Willow City, and Oxford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.